What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man back at another video, and today I got a couple of things to talk about. The first thing is I got something in from StockX, and tomorrow I got something coming in from StockX. You guys want to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Cannot wait to show you guys what I picked up from over on StockX. Question that's still going around the whole sneaker community, I feel like, is StockX still out here scamming? You know, they had to hack the accounts. People was getting their accounts charged like different shoes that they never even purchased. They never even wanted to purchase them. It's been going all around the sneaker community, and I feel like that's still a huge topic, and I feel like StockX has been getting a lot of slack from that whole little hacking situation. Also, I want to talk about these Air Jordan 1 High Fearless, man. I think they're very dope, and I want to talk about a couple of things with this shoe. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is subscribe, man. We're right around the corner from 20,000 subscribers, man. It means so much. So keep liking the videos. That means so much to a YouTube channel. If you're liking the videos, if you comment and engaging, YouTube sees that and they push the video more. Like I said, every like counts, every comment counts. Even if you just stopping by saying what's good, DeVintage, everything helps the channel grow, man. Last month we was booming. Last month the channel was booming, and now I can kind of see people slightly stopping to comment. They stopped liking the video, so that's gonna help the channel get to 20K very fast, man. So help your boy out, like and comment. Also, what I need you to do is follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. All you have to do is click the link, hit follow, and you can enjoy the rest of the video, man. Help your boy out, give me a follow over there on IG. So all that being said, let's get right into this video, man. So here we have it. The first thing I got from StockX. You're probably like, what do I get in this little bag, man? I was just scrolling on StockX, pretty much just online shopping. I ended up pulling the trigger on one of my first piece of Virgil off-white shirts, man. So here you have it. We're gonna pull it out real quick. And the only thing I don't like about StockX really now is that you gotta pay $14 for shipping, even on the shirt. You know what I mean? I thought it was gonna be cheaper to buy a shirt from StockX rather than shoes as far as shipping wise, but it's still the same. It's like $14 just to ship this little shirt, and it still took forever to get here. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like StockX definitely should change that. We're gonna get into this real quick, man. Get the StockX bag. Check it out. And we're gonna pull this thing out. It comes in another bag, and this is outlined on a Champion shirt. I thought, like, if I got like an off-white shirt, it's like its own brand. It's like it's only off-white, you feel me? But it's not. You get a StockX sticker, you get a authentication card, I guess, and then you get the receipt right here. Check it out. This shirt right here costs $50. I don't know why I spent $50 on one shirt when I spent like only $100 on 9 shirts right there, but I kind of just like this shirt. I kind of feel like this went perfect with the whole idea I have for the photo shoot. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys, so stop rambling. So you guys see me incorporate more clothing and more like fashion tips, I guess you could say, on the channel. I got something new that I'm going to start doing on the channel. I know I keep saying I'm going to do something new here, new there, but I'm definitely going to show you guys soon. If I don't start a segment this week, definitely next week, because I got a couple things going on this weekend. But next week it will be in full effect. I'm trying to implement that segment on the channel at least 2 or 3 times a week, man. So here you have it. Check out the shirt. You have the Virgil MCA shirt right here, man. Check it out. It says MCA Virgil. I don't know how to say his last name, man. Check it out. It says Figures of Speech, Chicago 2019. And down here it says MCA Chicago, man. You can check it out. Just something different. It costs $50, which is the most crazy thing. I can't believe I spent $50 on a shirt. But I don't think that's the first time I ever did that. But on the back, you can see, you got the tag back here. It says his last name, and it kind of like pokes out right here, as you can see. And then on the bottom, you get all the stuff on there. I don't know what it says. I'm not going to read it all. So I'm trying to talk about these Air Jordan 1s, man. So check it out. And let me know how y'all feel about this one in the comment section below. All right, now on to these Air Jordan 1 High Fearless, man. I feel like they're very dope. Put a picture up right here so you guys can check them out. I'm pretty sure everybody that loves sneakers know about this release. They're going to be releasing November the 2nd, which I think is not this week coming up, but the weekend after that. And they retail for $160. Usually with like collab Jordans and stuff like that, they raise the price. But lately on the Air Jordan 1s, they've been keeping the retail price at $160, which I love. And I'm hearing that's going to be a hike in the prices for all Jordans, especially Jordan 1s, man. So that kind of sucks, but for the time being, $160 is not bad at all, man. So my first impressions and my first thoughts on the shoe was that they dope, and I really want to get this shoe, man. I feel like back when the top 3s dropped and they had like the 2-3 different colors on the shoe and stuff like that, I was like, I'm not feeling it. And then like they started growing them. I started seeing them on people's feet. I started seeing people, you know what I'm saying, swag them out, throw their little touches to the shoe, switch the laces out and stuff like that. They growing to me, and I still want that shoe to this day. And as y'all all know, that the Resell hyped up on those Air Jordan 1 top 3s, man. Now we got UNC to like Chicago, you can say, but it's all patent leather, man. I pull out these patent leather shoes because I love the vibes that patent leather gives you, you know what I'm saying? That shiny look, that nice dope look. When the light hit off of it, when the sun hit off of it, wherever you rock this shoe, people are gonna turn their heads just because it's all patent leather, man. If I'm not mistaken, the whole shoe for the Fearless ones are not all patent leather. I think it has some leather on the toe box as well as on the side panels, if I'm not mistaken. I seen an earlier review on somebody's channel, I forget. I think it was Mike Rich or Scoop 208, I forget, but I think that they had leather on the toe box and the side panel, so you guys can expect that as well, man. Now that it's kind of like a couple of weeks before the release, you can probably see a whole bunch of early reviews. You can see like the resale starting to, you know what I'm saying, populate on StockX, and I feel like these are gonna stay around that $500 price range, man, which is not that bad. I feel like people are starting to gravitate more to the all over patent leather joints, and me as well. Like, these things are super dope. They super different. After I got my gold toe ones, man, I was like, I gotta get some more patent leather ones. It's a couple other ones that released recently that the resale has hyped up stupid crazy over, and like I said, if you don't get your hands on these for retail, expect to pay at least $300 to $400 plus on this shoe right here. I want to know you guys' opinion on this shoe. Are you going to be going after the shoe? Do you think they trash? Do you think they're going to be super hyped? Me personally, I like the whole style, I like the colors, I like the UNC to Chicago vibe. As y'all know, they did the LA to Chicago's where you can like rub the paint off and stuff like that. I feel like a lot of people are liking the different colors, the different options you can do with the shoe, and it's a Jordan 1. Everybody loves Jordan 1s, man, and I'm definitely going to try my best to go after and get these guys for retail because I'm tired of paying resale, man. So like I said, these Air Jordan 1 High OG Fearless, aka UNC to Chicago's, will be dropping November the 2nd and retailing for $160, man. I will be dropping a how to cop video later on or early next week, so you guys can kind of get an idea on where to cop, how to cop, and stuff like that. And we're gonna see what the resale is gonna be closer to the release date. All right, I appreciate everybody for tuning in to this quick little video. Kind of want to show you guys what I copped from StockX. I got something coming very special tomorrow, so if you've seen the shirt, you should kind of know what shoes is coming, man. So you guys stay tuned for that. I thought the package was going to be here today. You already know what UPS and StockX, they do whatever they want. So you just pay the price and you get the shoes whenever they want to give it to you. Make sure you guys like the video. That helps the channel grow a lot. Comment down below. Give me your thoughts on the MCA off-white shirt. And give me your thoughts over these Air Jordan 1 High Fearless. Make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you can stay tuned for the video dropping tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get that up as early as possible. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.